In this short video, I will show you all the steps you have to take in completing your Rubi KYC. First step is to set your PIN. You have to create a transaction PIN because this is a PIN that you'll be using for your transaction on this platform. So how do you do that? You click on wallet here. This is the wallet. The next to the last icon here, that is the wallet. Then you click on the settings here. Then you see PIN setting, transaction limit setting, and switch wallet. So you click on PIN setting. Then you click on apply. Update successfully. Then you must also get some Rubi in your wallet. You click on receive here. Then you copy this is your wallet address. You copy your wallet address. This is what you are going to send to people that want to send a Rubi to you for your KYC. So you click on copy here. You click on this copy. Then you come here and see user verification. So you click on user verification. I have not yet been verified. So I click on ekyc, continue. Then you click on continue. So if you want a faster result, you have to go for the one with 4 RBL. So let me click on the 4 RBL. Then I will click on make a reservation. Just click on checkout. You will click on transfer. Then you enter your PIN, the PIN that you created. Then you have to enter it here now. All right, so once you have done that, you now click on already paid. You click on already paid. You can see amazing success. You have successfully paid the KYC booking fee. Please press KYC now to continue. So I click on KYC now. So these are the requirements here that you have to provide. You can pick either national ID card or your passport. So I click on national ID card. I click on continue. So the KYC fee amount is not refundable in any resulting case. Okay, I got it. So I click on I got it. So these are what you have to supply: the document ID number, your full name as it is on your ID, date of birth, your gender, nationality, place of origin, place of residence, the expired period for the ID, date of issue, and place of issue. You also upload the front of the ID card and also the back of the ID card. For this third one here, you have to take a picture of yourself that you are holding a white paper. They must write Rubi on that paper, and it must also include same date that you are doing the KYC. Take a photo with the front of the ID card and the handwritten sign with the text Rubi plus shooting date as shown. This is what you have to do, that you have to submit on this platform. Then you click on send KYC. So that's all the information you have to provide, and that's the step you will take to complete your Rubi KYC.